This is a rhetorical analysis presentation speech by Sherry Corbett. The rhetorical triangle can be explained in three areas: ethos, pathos, and logos. Ethos is the credibility. Pathos appeals to the emotion. Logos appeals to the logic. We find all three of these in good advertising to help persuade others to buy things. In this presentation, I'll be presenting a print ad, and we'll examine these three areas, as well as a video ad, and we'll examine those three areas in the video ad as well. The first ad I'd like to present to you is the print ad for MyPillow. In this ad, the ethos can be seen in the ad under the National Sleep Foundation, giving the official bed pillow, giving it a seal of approval, and an as seen on TV. It's good enough for a TV commercial. Pathos, you have the inventor of MyPillow there smiling, happy, trusted. He has on a cross necklace showing his faith that he can be a trusted person. The logos, you can wash and dry the pillow, it says, and you need the pillow for all the medical reasons listed, so that would be logical that you would want this pillow for your snoring, insomnia, neck pain, migraines, fibromyalgia, allergies, sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and TMJ. The next thing we'll look at is also an ad for MyPillow. This is the video version, or what would have appeared on TV.
Hello, I'm Mike Lindell, inventor of MyPillow. Thanks to your support, you've helped make MyPillow become one of the fastest growing companies in America. Over the last 12 years, you've helped MyPillow create thousands of jobs right here in the USA. Every MyPillow is made with passion here in my home state of Minnesota to ensure you get the best sleep of your life.
One of the things that I really like about MyPillow is the support. It gives my neck a little hug.
I've never slept better in my life. What's better than a great night's sleep?
Sleep is one of the most important things to your health, and MyPillow is one of the most important things to your sleep.
Call or go to mypillow.com now, and Mike will give you 2 MyPillow premiums for one low price. Use the promo code and you'll also receive free shipping. That's 2 MyPillow premiums for one low price.
I tried every pillow, from expensive down pillows that just went flat to fiber-filled pillows that rebound every time you move your head. I even tried those memory foam pillows, and the curve did not match my neck, and it probably won't match yours. That's why I invented MyPillow. My patented fill adjusts to your exact individual needs and helps keep your neck supported and aligned.
When I got MyPillow, I'm asleep almost immediately. I stay asleep at night and I wake up more well-rested in the morning.
MyPillow lasts 10 years, is machine washable and dryable, and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee.
I personally guarantee MyPillow will be the most comfortable pillow you'll ever own, or your money back.
Call or go to mypillow.com now, and Mike will give you 2 MyPillow premiums for one low price. Use the promo code and you'll also receive free shipping. That's 2 MyPillow premiums for one low price.
With our 60-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Sleep well, America!
For the best night's sleep in the whole wide world, visit mypillow.com.
In this video ad, we see that the ethos is product testimonials, and the inventor actually takes you inside his manufacturing facility. Pathos uses the word you. You helped create the jobs. Reaching out to your emotions, you've created jobs in the United States by buying American-made products, and describes the pillow, the testimonial describes the pillow as like a little hug for her neck, appealing to comfort and emotion. In ethos, Mike tells us that sleep is the most important thing to your health, and that would be logical that you'd want to take care of your health. These are the works cited page for the video ad analysis. Thank you for watching.